So over here you can see that I have some extensions over here on my Microsoft Edge browser. If I were to go around and click on manage extensions, then you get onto the extensions page just like this, and you can see all of the extensions over here. So over here you can go around and see the extensions that you have installed over here. You can search for the extensions as well. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and type in one, then you find OneNote. So especially when you have a lot of extensions, then you can go around and utilize the search feature. You can turn some extensions on or off from over here and remove the extensions as well. And if I were to go around onto details, then you see the details of that particular extension, and you can allow this particular extension in private mode, or you can go around and allow and let's say automatically allow the access to the following sites, or you can go around and disable it and enable it right here just like this. You can simply go around onto the extension and you can allow access to URLs over here as well, and give it permissions on all sites, on click, or on specific sites over here as well, and add it in. So you can go around and customize out the individual extension properties over here. So you can go around and allow it in private and so forth right here just like this, and that is what you have. You can also go around and get extensions for Microsoft Edge by clicking on this button, and it takes you to the extensions page right here, just like this, from Microsoft Edge .microsoft.com. Apart from that, you can also go around and you can get extension from the Chrome Web Store right here. So once you go around over here, then you can see that you get access to the Chrome Web Store, and this is where you can get extension as well. And since Microsoft Edge is based on Chromium browser, it supports all of the Chrome extensions as well, apart from that in Microsoft Store. So you can see that there's the Edge add-on and there's the Chrome Web Store, and this is where you can get all of your extensions from to increase the functionality of your web browser. And that is how you can manage extensions inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.